Inside this lecture, we are going to work on getting user detail. Inside this user controller.js, below this reset password, I will write the comment get user details. I'm just going to create the function export const function name as get user details, and this entire function I'm going to wrap inside this handle async error. This function I will be making as async function request, response and next. I'm just going to open this function. Now, whichever user is logged in, that user ID I'm just going to access, and using that ID, we are going to find the user. So here, I'm just going to write const user await. I will be writing this user. Now using ID, we are going to find the user. So we will be passing find by ID. Inside this, we will access request.user.id. Okay. In this way, we are just finding the user ID. Below this, let me just log request.user.id. I will copy and here I am going to paste. Now what I will do, I'm just going to create the route. I will open user routes.js. Below this, I will copy. Inside this, I'm just going to give profile. Basically, when we are getting complete user detail, it is nothing but user profile. So here I will be passing profile. Inside this, I will pass the function get user detail. As soon as we hit enter, this function will be imported. Now I will come here, copy this route. Before that, let me just save this route, reset password. I will give the request name as reset password. I will save, click on plus. Here I will be pasting. In place of login, I will be giving profile. I will just change to post request. I will click on send. But now, as soon as we click on send, we will have cannot read properties of undefined reading ID. So here, inside this user route, we should also authenticate user. So here, we are going to pass this verify user auth function. Verify user auth separate by comma. I will open this product routes. Let me just copy and see whether the spelling is correct or wrong. I will be pasting, as well as I'm just going to import this function. Copy, and here above this I'm just going to import the function. I will remove this role based access. So here we are also going to verify the user auth, and accordingly, if the user is logged in, only then we will access all the user detail. Now once it is defined, now I will click on send. I will open terminal. Now you can see I am able to access user ID. Only once we verify user auth successfully, we are able to access user ID. And using that user ID, we are just going to find the user. And here we don't have to check if the user is found or not, because only if the user logged in, only then we are going to move to next function. So using this decoded data successfully, we are going to access ID, and that ID will be present inside this request.user. So from there, we are just going to access user ID. Below this, I'm just going to send the response.status. Status code will be 200. JSON method, I will be passing success to be true, and then complete user information I'm just going to pass. And from where we are getting access to this ID? We are just getting access to this ID from this request.user. So whichever user is logged in, that entire user we have found using this ID. That information we are just assigning to this request.user. And from there, I'm just accessing the ID, and using that ID, we are finding the user. Now I will come, click on send. Whichever user is logged in successfully, we are able to get complete information of the user. You can see user, avatar, name is Khanam, email is this one, and role is admin. So whichever user is logged in successfully, we are able to get that user information. I will just come to log out, click on send, successfully logged out. Now if I try to access, I will have authentication is missing. Please log in to continue. Only if the user is logged in, user can see all the details. I will click on save. I will give the request name as user details. And here I will write get user details and then click on save.